Alright, this is what we're doing this afternoon. Got a big hole right there. It's the road we came up on. It's another little foundation right here. And supposedly there's more up the road. Alright, this is my first piece of something that's not a bullet shell. Looks like some decoration off of something. Well, I've been here for about a half an hour and a lot of newer garbage bullet shells. Popular item. We're pretty much just trying to see. I haven't seen any signs of metal detecting around here yet. No other holes or plugs flipped over, and no piles of garbage or random iron on rocks. So hopefully we'll snag something good sooner or later. Nice day, 50 degrees. It's been maybe even 60. I don't know. It's warm. Hasn't been warm in a while. All the snow's finally melted in the woods. Alright, just got an 1884 Indian head. About time. Not that I'm complaining or anything. It's just trying to get used to the T2 compared to my Tesoro. It was a breeze at the park. But here where all this iron is and everything, it's a little different ball game. Yeah. Cool. I'm excited. It's in pretty good shape. It should clean up good. Yeah. See if we can find some of that silver. Better yet, gold. Alright, see what happens. Well, we were told that there were some more cellar holes back that way. We went down there and a bunch of posted signs all over the place. It actually says you may be subject to video surveillance. So we opted not to go past those signs. I'm gonna head back this way. There is an old road, and this was probably a class 5 or class 6 road. Probably about 200 more yards to get back to the first spot where we were at. But I'm gonna stop here and try to do the road from here back to the original site. I know, I got headphones on, you guys can hear the beeps. Signal, ringing, a little above pull tab, maybe zinc penny range, and the sucker flies out of the hole. Jeez. I mean, I'm thinking it's a button, but it's heavy. Like a flattened coin. I don't see a shank mark, but I'm gonna get back to you guys and see what I think it is. I'll tell you in a little bit. Definitely copper. It's green. Alright, well I'm still trying to get used to the T2 here, but this is definitely the highest. Alright, got some new batteries in the camera. It's bouncy, it's hitting 81, 82. Crazy sound for the pinpointing, so I'll be back. We're going to see what this is. Oh, that was a bullet shell and a new penny. Exciting. Alright, so he just found a 1837 half penny token. Yeah. It's got a guy like with a cane on the front. On the back, we don't know yet what it's got, but we're going to have to check it out. Maybe in the red book or something, but what a bastard. I said, I like when people outdo me, and all of a sudden...
Go ahead, I'll do that.
Look and stay. Alright, well, Dustin just dug the half penny that was from Canada, and now he's trying to stab a coin over here. Definitely looked like a coin on my detector, and his detector ringing up around 84 solid, around 46 inches. Oh, there it is.
That's a coin. Unfortunately, it's a new penny.
Yeah.
But
Hey.
Well, we're doing pretty good on signals here towards the end of the dig. I think it's an Indian head penny. We'll see what.
But you did just dig a newer penny, though, right?
I did, but it was a different tone. So, or an ox shoe. I don't know.
That sounded like a coin. It didn't sound like iron.
We got Roxy, the digger dog. Roxy! She sniffs stuff out.
Hand.
And we got something.
That's a
There's the coin. I saw it.
in this hand.
Yep. New penny.
It is. How unexciting. Right next to your new penny.
Shake and bake.
Alright, well I ventured off a little bit from the old foundation. Jeez, look at that old tree. Not much left to it. Nope. However, I was like, you know what? I haven't found any buttons yet today. Where are they? I looked at this. Took me a second. I'm like, oh, it looks like a shotgun shell. 'Cause it's got a little center. I don't know if you can see it. Little circle in the center there. It's a button. Sweet. Haven't found too many buttons yet this year, so I'm kind of excited to get this one cleaned up. It's got the shank on it. Roxy, what the heck are you doing? Give me some space. Thank you. So, yeah, I hear him over there. I don't know what he's doing, but hopefully he's finding something good. Well, for the T2 I did pick up a little rain guard. It's like a vinyl. Or not vinyl, but like a nylon with some Velcro. The knob sticks out, which is nice. Same with the battery box and speaker area. The knob sticks out for the power button. And right here, like the old back doors, you got you can go plug in your headphones. Not a bad little trap door. And I don't know, I usually use headphones. I like with videos, people like to hear the beeps of the detector and see what's going on with it. But let's move it on. Alright, so I'm using the T2. I got it sensitivity at 92. You can see that a little bit better. Even 90, I'll crank it up to 94. Discrimination level at 41. And I like the 1 for the tone. And it's running quiet with the sensitivity cranked up that high. I'm in a less trashy area, so that's why I got it up that high for right now. Closer to the cellar hole. It was a little too much for it with all the iron. It's springtime here in New Hampshire and the snow is gone. And you can actually dig a hole right now without the hole filling back up with water. I like that. Sometimes I feel like I may be losing a signal because it's just the hole's getting filled back in with water and it gets deeper and deeper and muddier and muddier and not very fun. So far, not a bad year. I've been out metal detecting for about 2 months now. It's April 22nd today, Friday. And it's warm. This weekend's gonna be crappy weather, but today's Friday. Got out of work semi-early, so I'm just gonna hit it up. And this weekend, not gonna probably do much, but at least today I got out. Hear that? We got a hit. Very fine. Well, I'll put it in my pocket. It's glass, and today's Earth Day. So that'll be my contribution of cleaning it up. Put it in the old pouch. There we go. See, right here is a stone wall. Runs down that way. So I'm just going to roam around this area for a little bit. See what happens. Alright, right now I'm getting a killer signal. 86. Hear that soft tone? It's not poppy, so it sounds deeper.
Pretty cool.
Alright, that's funny. Just not funny, but just dug the shovel and there it is. It's sticking out. Yeah, I was ringing up in the silver range and it's definitely not silver. Let's see what it is. We'll get back to you in a minute. I'm not sure what it is, but we'll figure it out. Alright, that's pretty cool. I'm thinking that it's a bust, but draped bust. You can see the 1/100th of a cent on the back of it. The head right now is facing to the right. It looks like it got a little bun up over in the left hand corner, so I'm pretty sure it's a, I mean, well, it is large cent, but I think it's a draped bust. Solid signal. It wasn't even deep. I mean, geez. I flipped the plug. You can see how thick the plug is right there. Maybe 5-6 inches tops, and it was, you know, it was right there. That's awesome. I mean, really, I thought it was going to be a silver coin reading up that high, but since it was shallow, let's see what it reads with the T2 out of the hole. Yeah, 88, 87. I mean, that's what it was reading when it was in the hole. Well, it says 77 there, but there we go. 86, 88. Sweet. But we gotta take off. We'll be back here at some point for more adventures of digging holes in the ground. Exciting times. And see you then.
Well, not bad over here at the cellar hole we found today. We got a nice sized musket ball. Nice Canadian halfpenny, 1837. It does say bank token on it. I'm not sure what that's all about. Maybe it's something. Maybe I can buy a house. I doubt it.
Yeah, right.
Pretty good. Nice little day.
Yeah, Dustin dragged me here.
I got here. He got quite a few little coins today.
Started off with the Indian. Got the Splat Impossible large cent. And a button. Neat design on it. And this is the one right here. A large cent of the day. My first large cent of 2011.